Good morning, children. Wish you all belated Happy Independence Day. We should avoid three things in our life. Do you know what are those? We should avoid the negative people, negative thoughts, and the negative places. With this thought, let us begin the today's session. In today's session, children, we are going to learn about the prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay? Composite numbers are also called non-prime numbers. And we are also going to learn about the prime factors of a number and the non-prime factors of a number. Okay? Let us begin the session. Good morning, children. Let us begin the today's session. In today's session, we are going to learn about prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay? Composite numbers are also called non-prime numbers. Okay? Before we could understand about the prime numbers and composite numbers, we have to recall our memory that the different numbers have different number of factors. Okay? If we understand this, then it will be easier for us to learn better about the prime number and composite number. Okay? In your previous class, you have learnt about the factor of a number, and you also know that different numbers will have different number of factors. Okay? Let us see here, children. I have written the numbers 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, etc. And I have also listed their factors. Okay? See here, 4 is a number. How many factors 4 has? The number 4 has 3 factors. Which are those? 1, 2, 4. Okay? Let us take the number 6. How many factors 6 has? It has 4 factors. Which are those? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay? What are the factors of 8? 1, 2, 4, 8. How many factors it has? 4 factors. Okay? The number is 9. How many factors 9 has? 3 factors. Which are those? 1, 3 and 9. So children, 10 has 4 factors. 12 has 6 factors, 14 has 4 factors, and 15 has 4 factors. Okay? And see here, number 2 has 2 factors. Which are those? 1 and 2. Number 3 has 2 factors. Which are those? 1 and 3. Number 5 has 2 factors. Which are those? 1 and 5. Okay? What are the factors of 5? 1 and 5. How many factors it has? 2 factors. What are the factors of 7? 1 and 7. How many factors 7 has? 2 factors. Okay. So, 13 has 2 factors, 29 has 2 factors, and 37 has 2 factors. Okay. So, we learned there are different numbers and they have different number of factors. All the numbers do not have the same number of factors. So, the number of factors for a particular number is different. Is it clear to you? Therefore, children, we decide that different numbers have different number of factors. Okay? Some have 2 factors, some have 3 factors, some have 4 factors, some have 5 factors, some have 6 factors. Okay? So, the number of factors for a particular number is different. Is it clear to you? So, on the basis of the number of factors they have, the numbers are grouped into 2 groups. Okay? How do we group the numbers? We group them as prime numbers and composite numbers. On what basis you will group them? On the basis of the number of factors they have. Okay? The numbers are grouped into 2 groups. Which are those? Prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay? First, children, let us learn about the prime numbers and then we will move on to the composite numbers. Okay? What are prime numbers? Let us see here. If a number has exactly two factors in which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, then that number is called a prime number. See here children, if you would like to call any number as a prime number, it should have exactly how many factors? 2 factors. Okay? If the number of factors of a number is 2, then we should call it as a prime number. Okay? But how should those 2 factors be? One factor should be 1 and another factor should be the number itself. Then only we will call it as a prime number. Okay? Look at the examples. Number 2. Okay? What are the factors of 2? 1 and 2. How many factors? 2 factors. Here, the factors of 2 are 1 and 2. One factor is 1, another factor is itself. Okay? Altogether it has exactly 2 factors. That is why 2 is a prime number. Is 3 a prime number? Yes. Because it has how many factors? 2 factors. Which are those? One factor is 1 and another factor is itself. Okay? That is why 3 is a prime number. Is 5 a prime number? Yes. How many factors it has? 2 factors. Which are those? 1 and 5. Means one factor is 1 and another factor is 5 itself. Means number itself. Okay? Is 7 a prime number? Yes. Because it has 2 factors. Which are those? 1 and itself. Is 13 a prime number? Yes. Why? Because 13 has 2 factors. Among them, one is 1 and another factor is 13. That is why 13 is a prime number. Okay? Similarly, 29 is a prime number and 37 is a prime number. There are so many prime number children. Okay? But the first prime number and the even prime number is 2. Okay? See here, the first prime number is 2 and second prime number is 3, next prime number is 5, 7, 11, it continues. Okay? But if you observe the list of prime numbers, you will see that 2 is the first prime number and that is the only even prime number. Okay? See here, 2 is even number also and a prime number also. That is why 2 is called the even prime number. Okay? If you go on listing the prime numbers, other than 2, you will find that the remaining prime numbers are all odd prime numbers. 2 is the only even prime numbers. Okay? See here, 3 is prime number but it is odd. 5 is a prime number but it is odd. 7 is a prime number but it is odd. So, except 2, you will never find any even prime number. Okay? In the list of prime numbers, 2 is the first prime number and 2 is the only even prime number. The other prime numbers are odd prime numbers. Okay? So, what do you mean by prime number children? If a number has exactly 2 factors, okay, in which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, then that number is called a prime number. Okay? So children, hope you learnt about the prime number and its definition. This prime number can also be defined in one more way. Okay? What is that? We will see it now. See here children, 1 and 2 are the factors of 2 and 2 is divided by 1 and 2 means 1 and itself, both are same. Okay? Similarly, 1 and 3 are the factors of 3 or 3 is divided by 1 and 3 means 1 and itself. Okay, 1 and 5 are the factors of 5, or 5 is divided by 1 and 5 means 5 is divided by 1 and itself. Does it mean like this or not? Yes. Similarly, 1 and 7 are the factors of 7, or 7 is divided by 1 and 7. It means 1 and itself. Okay. 1 and 13 are the factors of 13, or 13 is divided by 1 and 13. What do you mean by this? 1 and itself. So, all prime numbers are divided by 1 and itself. Therefore, children, we can also define prime numbers as a number which is divided by 1 and itself is called a prime number. Okay? So, children, what is another definition? If a number is divided by 1 and itself, then that number is called a prime number. Okay? Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, dash, dash, dash up to infinity. So, children, according to first definition, I have listed the numbers here, which are called prime numbers. Okay? According to first definition, these are prime numbers because these numbers have how many factors? Exactly 2 factors. Not more than 2, not less than 2. Exactly 2 factors. And among 2 factors, one factor should be 1 and another factor should be itself. Therefore, these numbers fulfill both the conditions of the first definition. That is why these are all prime numbers. Okay? And what is second definition? If a number is divided by 1 and itself, then that is a prime number. Okay? Here the numbers what I have listed are divided by 1 and itself. 1 and itself. Okay? 1 and itself. That is why these numbers are prime numbers. Okay? Now, children, we will learn about composite number. Okay? The meaning of composite number is what is non-prime number, no? That number is called composite number. Okay? What is the definition of composite number? See here. If a number has more than 2 factors, okay? Not exactly 2 factors, more than 2 factors. More than 2 means what? The number may have 3 factors, 4 factors, 5 factors, 6 factors, 7 factors, etc. Okay? But not less than 2. Okay? More than 2 factors it should have. Among which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, and the remaining factors are other than 1 and the number itself. Okay? Then that number is called a composite number or non-prime number. Okay? Let us see some examples here. Look at the number 4. It has 3 factors. Okay? Then it means it has more than 2 factors. Then should it be called as prime number? Then should it be called as composite number? See here. It has more than 2 factors and one factor is 1 and another factor is itself. And one more factor is other than 1 and 4. That is 2. Therefore, it is a composite number. Is 6 a composite number? Yes. Because it has 4 factors, means more than 2 factors. Which are those? One factor is 1, another factor is number itself, and there are other factors also. Right? So, children, 6 is a composite number or non-prime number. Let us take 8. 8 has how many factors? 4. What are those? 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. Okay? So, are they more than 2? Yes. Which are those? 1, 2, 4, 8. Here, the one factor is 1, another factor is itself, and there are other two factors. They are 2 and 4. Therefore, it is a composite number or non-prime number. Is 9 a prime number or non-prime number or composite number? It is a composite number because it has 3 factors. 3 means more than 2. One factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, and remaining factor is 3. Okay? Means other than 1 and 9, it has one more factor. That is why, children, this 9 is a non-prime or composite number. Okay? Let us take 10. 10 is a composite number or non-prime number. Do you know why? It has 4 factors. Means more than 2 factors. Right? It has the factor 1 and it has the factor itself, and the remaining factors are 2 and 5. Means it has other factors than 1 and 10. That is why it is a composite number or non-prime number. 12. How many factors? 12 has 6 factors. 6 means, is it not more than 2? Yes, it is more than 2. And here, the number 12 has the factor 1 and 12 and also the other factors. Okay? If any number has the factors more than 2, among which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, and there are other remaining factors, then that number is called a non-prime number or a composite number. Similarly, children, 14 is composite number or non-prime number because it has 4 factors. One factor is 1, another factor is number itself, and these 2 and 7 are the remaining factors. Okay? 15 is a composite number or a non-prime number because it has 4 factors, means more than 2. One factor is 1 and another factor is 15, and 3 and 5 are the remaining factors. So, children, if a number has more than 2 factors, among which one factor is 1 and another factor is number itself, and the remaining factors are other than 1 and the number itself, then that number is called a composite number or non-prime number. Okay, children? But we have one more definition for a composite number. Let us see what is that. See here, children. 1, 2, 4 are the factors of 4, or 4 is divided by 1 to 4. Means by 1, by 4, means by itself, and also by another number 2. Okay? Here, 1, 2, 3, 6 are the factors of 6. Okay? Which also means 6 is divided by 1 itself and also by other numbers. Which are other numbers? 2 and 3. Okay? 6 is divided by 1. 6 is divided by itself. And 6 is also divided by other numbers 2 and 3. Okay? Now, let us take the example of number 8. Okay? 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8. Okay? What does it mean? It also means 1, 2, 4, 8 are the factors of 8, or 8 is divided by 1, 2, 4, 8. Both are same. So, children, 8 is divided by 1, 8 is divided by itself, and 8 is also divided by other numbers 2 and 4. Okay? Look at the example 9. Okay? Here, 1, 3, 9 are the factors of 9. Okay? And 9 is divided by 1, 3, 9. Means 9 is divided by 1, 9 is divided by itself, and 9 is also divided by other number 3. Okay? Now, let us take the example of 10. What are the factors of 10? 1, 2, 5, 10 are the factors of 10. It also means 10 is divided by 1 itself and by other 2 numbers. They are 2 and 5. What are the factors of 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are the factors of 12. It also means 12 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Here, 12 is divided by 1, 12 is divided by itself, and 12 is also divided by the other numbers. Okay, other numbers 2, 3, 4, 6. Okay, see children, 14. 1, 2, 7, 14 are the factors of 14, or 14 is divided by 1 itself and by also other numbers 2 and 7. Okay, here 15. 15 has 4 factors. It means 1, 3, 5, 15 are the factors of 15, or 15 is divided by 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, it means 15 is divided by 1. Okay, 15 is divided by itself, and 15 is also divided by the other two numbers 3 and 5. Okay, therefore children, we can also define the composite number or non-prime number as, if a number is divided by 1 itself and also by other numbers, then that number is called a composite number or a non-prime number. Okay, if a number is divided by 1 and that number is also divided by itself and also by other numbers, if it is divided, then that number is called a composite number or a non-prime number. Is it clear? Example 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, dash, 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 dash. Okay. See here children, there are many composite numbers. Okay. But which is the first composite number and the smallest composite number? 4. Okay. 4 is the first composite number and the smallest composite number. But which is the biggest composite number? Infinity. We don't know. Okay. But so children, we learnt about the two definitions of composite number. Okay. So children, according to first definition of composite numbers, okay, these numbers are composite numbers because all the conditions are fulfilled here. Okay. So children, according to first definition, these numbers should have more than 2 factors. Therefore, these numbers are more than 2 factors. Okay. And according to first definition, one factor should be 1 and another factor should be itself, and the remaining factor should be other than 1 and itself. Therefore, here in all these examples, one factor is 1, another factor is itself, and the remaining factors are other than 1 and itself. Therefore, these are the examples for composite number. Okay. So, all the conditions of the first definition are fulfilled here. Okay. What is the second definition? Okay. According to second definition, if a number is divided by 1 and itself and also by other numbers, then that number is called composite number or non-prime number. Even those conditions are also satisfied here. How? See here. According to second definition, a composite number should be divided by 1 itself and also by other number. Therefore, children, here whatever the number I have written, okay, they obey the conditions of second definition of composite number or not? Yes. See here all the numbers are divided by 1 itself and also by other number. Okay. See this example. Here 8 is divided by 1, divided by itself and also by other numbers. Okay. Take 12. 12 is divided by 1, divided by itself and also by other numbers. So children, the conditions in both the definitions to be a composite number or non-prime number are fulfilled by these numbers. That is why these numbers are composite numbers. Okay. So children, I hope now you learnt about the prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay. Let us do comparison between prime numbers and composite numbers. Here, prime numbers have exactly 2 factors. but composite numbers have more than 2 factors. Okay, see here, these are also numbers, these are also numbers, right? These have exactly 2 factors and these have more than 2 factors. These are exactly divided by 1 and itself only. Other than 1 and itself, there is no number which divides the prime number. But for non-prime number or composite number, they are divided by 1 itself and also by other numbers. Okay, so children, hope you learnt the differences between the prime numbers and composite numbers. Okay, now one question comes, what about the number 1? Is number 1 a prime number or a composite number? Okay, see here children, this 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. Do you know why? Now let us list the factors of 1. The factor of 1 is 1 only. Okay, to call this 1 as prime number, 1 should have 2 factors, but 1 has only 1 factor. That is why 1 is not a prime number. To call this 1 as non-prime number or composite number, it should have more than 2 factors, but it has only 1 factor. That is why the number 1 has been dropped from the list of prime numbers and composite numbers. Then what is 1? 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. It is just an integer. Okay children? After having learnt about the prime numbers and composite numbers, let us learn about prime factors of a number and non-prime factors of a number. Okay, non-prime factors of a number are also called composite factors of a number. Okay, look at the table given here children. This is a column of numbers and this is a column of the factors of a number, and this is the column for prime factors and this is the column for non-prime factors or composite factors. See here, the number 12 has the factors. Which are those? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. It means 12 is divided by 1 also, 12 also, and also by other number also. So 12 is a composite number. Okay, but how many factors 12 has? 12 has 6 factors. Okay, among the 6 factors, how many are prime numbers? Here 2 is a prime number also and factor also. That is why 2 is called the prime factor of 12. What about 3? 3 is a prime number also and factor of 12 also. That is why I call 3 as prime factor of 12. So children, among 6 factors, 2 and 3 are prime numbers also and factors of 12 also. That is why I call 2 and 3 as prime factors of 12. Okay, which are the prime factors of 12? 2 and 3. Why? They are prime numbers also and factors of 12 also. That's why they are called prime factors. But the factors 4, 6 and 12 are not prime numbers. Okay, 4, 6 and 12, they are only the factors of 12 but not the prime factors. So I call 4, 6, 12 as the non-prime factors of 12 or the composite factors of 12. Okay, let us take one more example. Number 10. Okay, how many factors 10 has? It has 4 factors, means more than 2. That is why 10 is a composite number. Okay, but how many factors? It has 4 factors. Okay, among 4 factors, 1 is neither a prime nor a non-prime factor. What about 2? 2 is a prime number also and factor of 10 also. That is why 2 is called prime factor of 10. And similarly 5 is a prime number also and factor of 10 also. That is why 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 10. Whereas 10 is factor of 10 but 10 is not a prime number. That is why 10 is called the non-prime factor or composite factor of 10. Okay, let us take an example of 54. The 54 is divided by 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27, 54. Okay, so children, it has so many factors. It is divided by 1, divided by itself and also divided by other numbers like 2, 3, 6, 9, 18 and 27. That is why 54 is a composite number, right? Then here 2 is a factor of 54 also, but prime number also. Okay, 3 is factor of 54 also and prime number also. That is why 2 and 3 are the prime factors of 54, whereas 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. See here, 6, 9, 18 and 27, 54 are the non-prime factors of 54 or composite factors of 54. Is it clear to you, children? Okay. Now you see example number 50. The factors of 50 are 1, 2, 5, 10, 25 and 50. Okay. It means 50 is divided by 1, 50 is divided by 50 and 50 is also divided by the other numbers like 2, 5, 10, 25. Okay. But among these, which are the prime numbers? 2 and 5 are the prime numbers also and factors of 50 also. That is why I write 2 and 5 are the prime factors of 50, whereas 10, 25 and 50 are the non-prime factors of 50. But 1 is neither a prime factor nor a non-prime factor. Okay. Then 76. The factors of 76 are 1, 2, 4, 19, 38 and 76. It has so many factors. Okay. But among them, 2 and 19 are the only prime numbers and prime factors of 76. The remaining factors like 4, 38 and 76, they are not prime numbers. They are composite numbers. That is why 4, 38 and 76 are called the composite factors or non-prime factors of 76. Is it clear to you, children? So, I hope you have learned well about today the prime numbers and composite numbers and prime factors of a number and non-prime factors of a number. Is it clear to you, children? Tomorrow we will learn some other concept related to this. Thank you. See you again.